Hey guys, welcome back to Car Fix School. What if I told you your phone could help diagnose a serious engine problem? No fancy tools, no mess, no disassembly. Today I'll show you a simple trick to find a weak or dead cylinder using just your smartphone. This is perfect if your car's running rough, misfiring, or lacking power. Instead of guessing and wasting money, you'll get real clues in under 5 minutes. Mechanics have listened for years, but your phone's mic makes it precise and easy for anyone. Grab your phone and let's head to the car. I'll walk you through every step. By the end, you'll have a new skill that saves time, money, and frustration. Let's get started and figure out what's going on with your engine, the easy way. Why not just do a compression test? Because it's a hassle. You need a special gauge, remove all spark plugs, and sometimes even engine covers, just to get started. It's time-consuming, easy to make mistakes, and can even cause new problems if you're not careful. Many people skip it and start guessing, replacing parts at random, what we call firing the parts cannon. That's expensive, inefficient, and often misses the real issue if it's mechanical. The traditional test is great, but it's invasive and slow. That's why this smartphone method is a game changer. You get crucial info fast, with zero risk. How can a phone recording reveal engine compression? When you crank the engine, the starter motor works hardest compressing each cylinder. A healthy engine makes a steady roo-roo-roo sound as each cylinder offers equal resistance. If a cylinder is weak, the engine spins faster on that stroke, creating a subtle hiccup in the rhythm. Your phone's mic picks up this change, even if your ear can't. The recording app shows a waveform. Each peak is a compression stroke. In a healthy engine, peaks are even and regular. A weak cylinder creates an irregular pattern, a gallop or a shorter gap between peaks. This visual clue is your sign of trouble. Your phone turns engine sounds into a diagnostic graph. No guesswork. Here's how to do the test, safely and easily. First, disable the engine so it cranks but won't start. Pull the fuel pump fuse or relay. Open your phone's voice recorder app. Make sure you're in a quiet place, no radio, fans, or background noise. Place your phone securely in the engine bay, near the center. Hit record. Go to the driver's seat, ensure the car's in park or neutral, and crank the engine for 5-10 seconds. You'll hear the engine turning over, but it won't start. That's perfect. Stop cranking, retrieve your phone, and end the recording. That's it. The test is done. You now have all the data you need. Let's analyze the results. Open your recording and view the waveform. Zoom in on the cranking section, you'll see repeating peaks. In a healthy engine, these peaks are evenly spaced and similar in height. Look for any irregularities. A pair of peaks closer together, followed by a longer gap. That's the gallop of a weak cylinder. To identify which cylinder, check your engine's firing order online. Match the pattern to the firing order. If the anomaly is between cylinders 3 and 4, cylinder 3 is likely weak. The visual pattern is usually clear and repeats every engine cycle. If the whole waveform is messy, you might have multiple issues. The waveform gives you objective visual proof, much better than guessing by ear. This is why the phone test is so powerful. So, you've found a weak cylinder. What now? Loss of compression usually means air is leaking past piston rings, valves, a damaged piston, or a blown head gasket. Worn piston rings let air escape into the crankcase, common in older engines. Bad valves, bent, burnt, or carboned up can't seal so air leaks out. A cracked piston or blown head gasket can also cause low compression, often with other symptoms like smoke or overheating. If two cylinders are weak, suspect a head gasket between them. Use your phone test as a first step. Then confirm with a traditional compression or leak-down test on the suspect cylinder. Listen for air hissing from the oil cap, rings, throttle body, intake valve, or exhaust valve. The phone trick saves time and points you straight to the problem. No more guessing or wasted parts. Diagnose smarter, not harder.